Your mind and your body do not always work hand in hand. Case in point, today. My workout today was working out in the yard in my long neglected, off neglected Wonderland Memorial Garden. You'll see some of that on our family vlog channel, Frugal Family Flies Again, if you're interested in that. Anyway, that was my exercise for today, and boy, was it a workout. And did I overdo it? Absolutely, to the point that, when you work out so hard or you put so much effort in that you just feel like you're, gonna vomit and you're dizzy and there's just that horrible feeling in the pit of your stomach and you start getting shaky. Yes, when I get started, especially with gardening for some reason, it is really hard to stop because you start seeing like the fruits of your labors. There's a pun. You start seeing the progress, and that just makes you want to do more and more. But of course, then you get more tired, and it gets hotter outside, and I'm kind of a half broken person anyway, and so. But I got so much done, and it, other than, overdoing it and feeling sick by the time I was done, it really felt good. Well, so then I took the most fabulous shower, and of course I could barely stand up, and half the time I actually sat on the floor of the shower. I know that sounds pretty bad, but I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm trying to get to a point here, though. So that's been a few hours, and had a wonderful shower and have been resting and watching air disaster videos because that's what I do. It always makes me feel better. Why? Well, yes, my whole body might hurt and I can't get this sick feeling out of my stomach from overdoing it out there in the sun, but at least I'm not in a plane that's exploding and plummeting into the ocean. So there's how that works. But anyway, as I'm, it's been a few hours and I'm here, I'm starting to feel this, maybe we should put a bra on and go out and do a little bit more out in the yard because it'll be cooling off soon and I'm starting to feel a little better. And then I start getting up and, there's that nausea and, nope. You overdid it. It's time to rest, and especially because I will be dumpster diving tomorrow morning for our main channel, Frugal Family Dumpster Decor and so much more, which I do every Sunday, and I need to have the ability and the strength to do that. So I have no choice but to rest. This is one of those just frustrating times when, your mind and your body are not in sync. But I am so glad that I got out there and was able to do what I was able to do. But I have to work on keeping in mind that you can't go from doing nothing, like being totally sedentary, to all of a sudden, trying to take on a garden that has been absolutely just abandoned and neglected for like 3 years. You're not going to get that all caught up and done in one day, and especially not in this body. That's just not going to happen, and that's okay. It's okay. I'm telling myself this more than I'm telling anybody else, but if it's helpful to you too, hey, bingo. As far as the keto and stuff, I'm doing really well. I am pretty darn proud of that. That's been going well. I went grocery shopping and got a whole bunch of stuff. Sorry, totally forgot to record that to show you guys, but like single serve, like prepackaged salads and Atkins products and stuff like that. Very helpful. And so I've had things that were just like ready to go that I could just grab as soon as I needed them. And that has been really, really handy. What else? That's probably about it. Anyway, just a quick check-in, and by making this video, I am forcing myself to be accountable and to take the time to slow down and listen to my body. And sometimes it takes putting a video out there for the public, for the world, to remind yourself to not be naughty. Because nothing good will come from it. You overdo it, and then the next day, or even for a few days, you're not going to be able to do anything. Moderation and also building up your endurance to that kind of activity. These are the things, Julie, that you need to work on. And probably all of us. or a lot of us. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for my little journey. Thank you for being a part of this with me. Please tell me in the comments what things you are overcoming. I know we all have those monkeys on our back that we're trying to relieve ourselves of. So please tell me all about it so that we can mutually support each other. Have a great night, and we will see you all real soon.